to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and for the next half an hour, it's all about entertainment and lifestyle right here in Kingston, Jamaica. Canadian reggae fusion band Magic in concert at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande in Ocho. We were there, so check out the highlights.
What's up, everybody? I'm Alex. I play drums in the band. I'm Ben. I'm the bass player.
I'm Mark. I'm the guitar player. And I'm Nasri, and we are Magic from Toronto, Canada. We kind of took on this reggae fusion sound about 3.5 years ago and had some great success with a song called Rude and a bunch of other songs, and it's led us to some awesome opportunities like playing here, like awesome artists like Omi and Shaggy have before us, so we look forward to the show tonight. Yeah, we had the pleasure of working on a song called Lay You Down Easy featuring Sean Paul, and he is definitely a legend, you know, and has a very unique style as a reggae artist. And we wanted that on our sound and have always been influenced by him, especially growing up in Toronto. Sean Paul is really popular in Toronto, so we knew all of his songs, and we had a great time making the video with him and look forward to maybe doing a show with him one day in Jamaica. I'm inspired by your charm.
Well, I think that the public enjoyed a lot the show. It was a really good performance, and well, we are really proud to have a group with that size in our property performance for our audience.
Magic brought me here tonight. It's a magical evening, magical property, a magical hotel. So I'm just here in the Magic.
What you thought about the performance tonight?
Amazing, simply amazing.
What you thought about the performance tonight?
But it was great, amazing. This band is a real good band, and more people should check them out.
Wonderful concert. I love how he did different eras of music, different people's background, and just infused it to his vibe. Very good, thank you.
Your favorite song from Magic's catalog?
Oh, Why You Have to Be So Rude. Favorite song. My kids love it, we love it.
I sense an accent. Where are you from?
North Carolina.
And you're staying here at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande?
Yes, my anniversary.
Congratulations. What you thought about your stay so far?
Wonderful experience. I plan on coming back.
Very good, very engaging. Not very familiar with all of his songs, but definitely in tune with the energy, and everything was great.
Which of the songs do you personally like and why?
Why you have to be so rude, that's all I know. But it was good overall. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
I enjoyed it to the fullest, you know what I mean? And Magic, trust me, I have the chain.
Magic in concert, your thoughts about the concert tonight?
Really good, yeah. Great. Yeah. Better than I thought as well. I liked how they did covers of other songs as well, not just like the classics. Yeah, really, really good night.
Which of the songs from the Magic catalogue is your personal favourite and why?
I like Red Dress. I like Lay You Down Easy, one of their new ones, yeah. And Rude, obviously, because it's a classic.
It was so awesome. They are really, really good. Yes, good times.
What do you like most about the performance?
It was very real. It was very, nice, heartfelt. It was awesome. Yes, it was awesome.
Great, they did amazing. I was so happy I came.
Yeah, man, so amazing, man. Everything I read, man.
I'm from Jersey in the US, so it was different for me to come down here and see all this. So this is great. Yeah, it's really good.
What's your favorite Magic song?
Oh, of course, the one when he said, "Will you marry me?" The one when he's asking everybody. Yeah, that's my. But the Red Dress was a really good song too. Yes.
That was Magic in concert at Moon Palace Jamaica Grande in Ocho Rios. Now, before we take our first commercial break, listen up to this road safety tip courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
Here are some road safety tips for pedestrians. Be careful at crossings. Look before you step. Cross streets at marked crosswalks or intersections if possible. Obey traffic signals such as walk or don't walk signs. Look right, look left, and look left again before crossing a street. Watch for turning vehicles and make sure the driver sees you and will stop for you. Do not wear headphones or talk on a cell phone while crossing a street. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.